Alright, so what you want to do first is spread out all of your crackers. Pretty simple enough. Okay, so next what you want to do is add a raw slice of bacon on each cracker and make sure you cut the bacon up into small pieces. I actually have a hard time cutting raw bacon, so I usually just rip it. If you have kitchen shears, I'm sure that'll be way easier, but or maybe I just have dull knives, I don't know, but yeah, y'all, do that. And then add some brown sugar on each cracker. I try to be cute and use a spoon, but it's way easier if you just use your fingers. So see, look at that. I was trying to be all cute for y'all, use a spoon. No, had to use my hands. Sometimes your hands are the best tools. You know what I'm saying? This is what it looks like when it's done. You pop it in the oven, 350 until the bacon is crisp. These are so easy to make, so delicious. They'll have your family wrestling over them. It'll make you want to put your grandma in a chokehold. But what I really like about them is that they're perfect for the holidays. Whenever Susie May and her husband Joe just happens to randomly stop by, you'll be able to pop these in the oven and they'll be ready in 10 minutes or less. So try them out. They're really delicious. They're a crowd pleaser for all ages, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Okay, so for this next appetizer, y'all, this literally is like the easiest thing you can do. There's no cooking involved. Basically, you don't have to do anything. If you can chop up an apple, you can do this. Okay, so all you need is cream cheese, caramel, and apples. And I'm going to show you my favorite caramel sauce, which is this one. It's so good. It's so good. Alright, so I cut a piece of parchment paper and laid it on top of my wooden board. You don't have to do this, but I didn't want to clean off all that caramel, so I did that. Anyways, so what you want to do is plop the cream cheese right in the center of your board. Okay, so with a spoon, you want to press down inside your cream cheese, kind of making like some type of cream cheese moat for the caramel sauce to lay in. I forgot to mention, your cream cheese should be soft. So if you have to leave it out so it can get the room temperature, then do that. And also, while you're pressing down, don't press too hard. You don't want to like separate the cream cheese or anything like that. Don't blink or you'll miss the whole recipe. You literally will warm up your caramel in 30-second intervals and dump it on top of the cream cheese. That's the whole recipe, y'all. The whole recipe is caramel on top of soft cream cheese. But let me tell you, this is a weird one because the caramel sauce transforms the cream cheese to the point where when you dip the apples in it, it no longer tastes like cream cheese. I'm telling you, everyone has said this. The taste transforms and the cream cheese starts to taste like whipped cream. I'm telling you, it's so bizarre. After that, just place some apple slices all around your cream cheese. I actually recommend chopping up your apples first and then doing the caramel and the cream cheese last so your caramel's nice and hot. But this has to be my new favorite snack. I made this on Thanksgiving. If you are making this for a crowd though, I would spritz the apples in some lemon juice or something because they will oxidize and turn brown real quick, y'all. Real quick. And brown apples are ugly. You know, if you care about presentation. If I were serving a larger crowd, I would cover up the parchment paper completely. I could just eat this all day. Everyone in the family loves it, and I'm telling you, make it for your family and your friends. It'll make them want to dance. It'll make them want to twerk and turn up. See, there go the evidence right there. I'm telling you. I hope you guys enjoyed these quick and easy appetizer ideas for the holidays. Try them out. I mean, they're so easy, an infant baby could do them. And who doesn't love bacon? Who doesn't love caramel? Who doesn't love cream cheese, right? I mean, you can't go wrong. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content. Like the video and leave some comments. Let me know you watched. I like interacting with all of you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.